Alright, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make scatter plots in Python using matplotlib. So let's get started. Alright, so as you see here, we have our normal stuff. Pip install matplotlib, and that just gets matplotlib on our device. And so, let me wait for that to run. Alright, so it is running. Now, let me run this. And this just imports matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and that's an alias so we don't have to type out matplotlib.pyplot every single time. And below is %matplotlib inline, and that just tells Python to have our graphs show up as a result of our code, kind of like this, not as pop-ups or in new tabs. Alright, so here is our data. I just put it like this because I assumed you wouldn't want to watch someone just typing out numbers for like a solid minute. If you enjoy that, you do you, I guess. Anyway, so here is our data, years and miles. And so this is the amount of years you have had a car, and this is the amount of miles you're on it. I know, it isn't really the most realistic. No one's gonna drive 10 miles in a year, but like, data is data. Alright, so plt dot scatter years, comma, miles. And now, let's run this. And here is our scatter plot. And you can also put two scatter plots on top of each other, just like you can do with two line graphs. So I'm gonna be back in a minute for me, probably like 2 seconds for you, with some more data. See you then. Alright, so here's our second piece of data, and let's say this is a different group of cars. And now all I need to do is plt dot scatter years 2 miles 2. And now if I run this, we now have our two scatter plots like that. We can also change the color. So in the first plt.scatter, I'll do comma, and I'll do color equals hot pink. And now in the second one, I'll do color equals sea green. And now let's run this. And here's our data. It's just different color now. You can also have each dot be a different color. So I'm going to create a new list. I'll just call this color, and I'll set it equal to red, blue, green, pink, black. And now I shall copy and paste this 4 times. Alright, so I've done that. And now for the second one, where the color is sea green, all I have to do is color equals colors. Now, if I run this, as you see, the first scatter plot is just filled with hot pink, but the second one is filled with a variety of different colors. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.